Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And this is my gotcha house that you have been seen before. Now, and we have a new coffee. What is it? Coffee machine. And we have hot chocolate and here we have chocolate coffee. Well, this hasn't ready yet. Look, it says here it's coming soon. So it hasn't ready, and if it's ready, you should try it. It's really good.
Very yummy.
Yeah, really
Very
good. This is even better for me. Wow, tastes really good. Okay, so if you want to come here and try the coffee, you just simply go to the video that has the address in the link in description, and you could come here. You could search that in Google Maps, and then it will take you to this shop. We will be selling this if it's ready. And should have a tablet. Dad, where's the tablet?
Cutting inside.
Oh. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bye.